Alrighty, happy Thursday afternoon. Your full weather forecast brought to you by Scott's Recreation, New England's largest trailer dealer, home of Maine's lowest camper and tractor prices, with locations in Turner, Manchester, Herman, and Orono, Maine. Here we go. So plenty of alerts to talk about now. A winter storm watch in the western parts of the state until 1 p.m. Significant accumulations of snow, maybe up to 6 inches or more in some spots, are possible. We do also have storm watches in effect until 7 a.m. Saturday along the coast. And we'll pull this man further off toward the west. This right here in its different color, that is a gale watch in effect, and this will last at least until about 4 o'clock as we head towards Saturday. Of course, we'll see these getting upgraded to warnings as we do move forward. And it's not just us. There's more alerts further off towards the south and west. This right here is a winter storm warning. It's in effect for some areas in the pink, and further down to the south and west, I don't know if we'll get to queue up. We probably won't because we have the winter storm warnings. But this purple shade right here is an ice storm warning. It is in effect too, and we saw on the radar earlier, and we'll show it again shortly. Of course, plenty of ice taking place near the Pennsylvania area. But moving forward, again, we're pretty quiet for now in our neck of the woods. High pressure nearby, as we'll be under a mostly cloudy sky today. But our next system starts to approach right about in here. You can see the radar right here, and plenty of purple showing up in Pennsylvania, indicating that wind stream mix with some ice that's falling in some spots, with this big area of low pressure that's stretching all the way back into parts of the Midwest, upper Midwest too, with more thunderstorms farther down toward the south. So plenty of activity going on across the good parts of the U.S., and we'll keep this going for a little while yet. Futurecast moving forward, though, we'll be under a mostly cloudy sky today and also tonight. Nothing too repetitive going on here. There might be a chance for a few flurries tonight, but I think that chance is rather small if it does happen. Then by Friday, maybe a little bit more in the way of some flurries, as we'll be watching for our next system moving in from the southwest to the north and east. There'll be a slow mover with a lot of snow on land and maybe some rainfall near the coast. So we'll have to watch for a little bit of a wintry mix, or at least a mixture of rain and snow in some areas. And of course, some gusty winds. So look how stacked the isobars are, and that will just tell you that the winds will be pretty strong with the system now will begin to move in. As for the latest snowfall, here's kind of the general idea. At least through parts of midnight on Saturday, so at least for Friday, not a lot of snow. Half inch to maybe an inch possible. We'll run this through the weekend, though, with a lot more snow possible. So the worst of it will take place on Saturday and parts of early Sunday morning, with maybe around 8 inches possible in a few spots, so maybe 6 to 9 inches in a few spots before we're all finished up. So plenty of snow to watch out for, and of course, it'll run through Sunday as well. So through Saturday and at least early Monday morning, maybe around 6 to maybe 12 inches before we're all finished up there. Gusty winds are on the way yet again, reaching up to around 20 to 25 miles per hour in a few areas today, and we'll keep that going for a little while yet, and we'll even see it picking up a little bit more as we head towards tomorrow with that next system that will begin to move in. So a forecast for today, upper 30s on the way, mostly cloudy with that northeast wind getting up to about 25 miles per hour. As for tonight, lower 30s, also mostly cloudy, maybe a few flurries if you're lucky. The northeast wind getting up to about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Tomorrow, mid-30s, rain and snow showers moving later in the day. Minimal snow accumulations by that point. That northeast wind getting up to about 25 miles per hour. Scott's Recreation extended forecast. The weekend, that's when more of the heavier snow moves in. Again, a wide range around 6 to maybe up to 9 inches in a few spots. That's the general idea right now. We'll see this kind of develop more as we do get closer, but then a smaller chance for rain and snow showers as we head towards your Monday.